Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about water molecules. Water molecules is classified into two types: hard water and soft water. Which water is give the lather in the presence of soap? The type of water is called soft water. Which water does not give the lather with a soap? The type of water is called hard water. So hard water contains some salts like bicarbonates, sulfates and chlorides. Overall magnesium bicarbonate or calcium bicarbonate, magnesium sulfate or calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride or calcium chloride. When we have removed the salts from hard water to convert the soft water, we have used two methods. That is one temporary method, second one permanent method. So in temporary method, we have removed the bicarbonates from hard water. We have used two methods. Number one, boiling, second one, Clark method. Already we know that. Boiling is when heated of water molecules, so bicarbonates is converted to carbonates. In Clark method, when we have addition of calcium hydroxide or silicon lime, so bicarbonates is converted to carbonates. Okay, so it is a temporary method. Next, further permanent method. Permanent method is mainly used for to remove the chlorides and sulfates. So suppose for example magnesium chloride, MgCl2 magnesium chloride, or suppose CaCl2 calcium chloride, MgCl2 magnesium chloride and next CaCl2 calcium chloride, next MgSO4 magnesium sulfate and CaSO4 calcium sulfate. They are all salts contain hard water. We have removed all salts from hard water. We have used different methods. Okay. Now, first of all, first method, treatment with washing soda. Washing soda means sodium carbonate. Okay, overall three methods have there. Number one, treatment with washing soda. Second one, Kalgan method. Third one, ion exchange method. Okay, so we have removed the magnesium sulfate and magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate and calcium chloride components from hard water. We have used some different methods, three methods mainly. So number one, treatment with washing soda, Na2CO3, and second one, Kalgan method, and third one, ion exchange method. Now first of all we have discussed about treatment with sodium carbonate. Suppose for example, when we have addition of Na2CO3, sodium carbonate is also called washing soda. Okay, suppose for example Na2CO3 sodium carbonate, when the sodium carbonate is added with the hot water, then hot water salts is reacts with sodium carbonate. Suppose for example sodium carbonate is reacts with the magnesium chloride. To form this reaction, Na2Cl2, 2NaCl, sodium chloride, and next MgCO3, magnesium carbonate. Okay, so sodium chloride and magnesium carbonate. Okay, so we have easily remove these two components from hot water. Okay, mainly we have removed the magnesium chloride from hard water. Okay, or suppose this Na2CO3 is reacts with CaSO4, suppose calcium sulfate. That time Na2SO4 sodium sulfate and next CaCO3 calcium carbonate. Okay, overall calcium sulfate is removed from hard water with washing soda. Or suppose replace of MgCl2, we write CaCl2 calcium chloride to form calcium carbonate. Or suppose replace of calcium sulfate, we have used magnesium sulfate. That time to form sodium sulfate and magnesium carbonate. Okay, so this is a very easy method to remove the magnesium chloride and magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride and calcium sulfate. When we have used washing soda with hot water, that time halides magnesium chloride or magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride or calcium sulfate is converted to carbonates and next sodium chloride or sodium sulfate or calcium carbonate. Okay, so it is a treatment with sodium carbonate. Okay. Next, second one, Kalgan method. Overall, Kalgan method is also used for to remove the salts of magnesium and calcium from hard water. So overall, in this process, we have used some specific compound, that is sodium hexa metaphosphate. Okay, sodium hexa metaphosphate. That is a formula Na6P6O18. Okay, Na6P6O18 sodium hexametaphosphate. Okay, so overall it is also called, just like commercially we are called Kalgan. Sodium hexametaphosphate is also commercially we are called Kalgan. So what is the Kalgan? Na6P6O18 is the Kalgan. Okay, when we have addition of Kalgan with the hot water, first this Na6P6O18, it is converted to 2 ions. Okay, that is 2 Na plus positive ion. Next remaining NaF4. So Na4P6O18 minus 2. Okay, one positive, another one negative. Okay, so sodium hexametaphosphate is reacts with ionized in 2 ions, that is Na2Na plus ion, and second one Na4P6O18 minus 2 ion. Okay, when Na4P6O18 minus 2 compound is reacts with magnesium chloride or calcium chloride, magnesium sulfate or calcium sulfate. First of all, this magnesium chloride is converted to Mg plus 2 or 2Cl minus, 2 ions. Magnesium chloride is converted to 2 ions, Mg plus 2 and 2Cl minus. Next further, suppose MgSO4 is converted to Mg plus 2 and SO4 minus 2. Magnesium chloride is converted to Mg plus 2 and 2Cl minus. Magnesium sulfate is converted to two ions, that is number 1 Mg plus 2 and SO4 minus 2. Okay, when Mg plus 2 or Ca plus 2, the two components is cations. Okay, suppose Mg plus 2 is reacts with this negative ion, that time to form Na2 Mg P6O18 plus 2 Na plus. Okay, so Na4 P6O18 minus 2 plus Mg plus 2 gives rise to Na2 Mg P6O18 plus 2 Na plus. Okay, or suppose Na4 P6O18 minus 2 plus Ca plus 2. So it is converted to Na2 Ca P6O18 minus 2 plus 2 Na plus. Okay, so overall Mg plus 2 or Ca plus 2 reacts with this negative ion. So that time to form Na2 Mg P6O18 minus 2 and 2 Na plus. Okay, so in this process we have removed the magnesium chloride and magnesium sulfate or calcium chloride and calcium sulfate. These two Na plus ions react with chlorine to form 2 NaCl, or Na plus ions react with SO4 minus 2 to form Na2SO4 minus 2. Okay, so it is a treatment with washing soda. And next one, Kalgan method. Kalgan method is very important. So sodium hexametaphosphate is the Kalgan. Na6 P6O18 is the Kalgan. So first it is converted to two ions, that is 2 Na plus and Na4 P6O18 minus 2. When this compound is this negative ion is reacts with Mg plus 2 or Ca plus 2 to form Na2 Mg P6O18 minus 2 and 2 Na plus. Or suppose when it is reacts with Ca plus 2 to form Na2 Ca P6O18 minus 2 plus 2 Na plus. So that 2 Na plus is reacts with SO4 minus 2 and 2Cl minus to form salts. Okay, so further class we are discuss about ion exchange method. Okay.